Hey, what's the guy? So, I don't know what that was, but, probably a cough, I think. So, yeah, I just want to say hi, what's up? I'm not looking into the camera, I can barely see it. Okay, so what's up? How's it going? Yeah, I just want to say hi, so what's up? I keep on repeating everything. But, yeah, I try to make a video. I tried twice to make a video showing you guys, like, my, my equipment and stuff like that. But like both the times I was like holding where camera right where the microphone was. So like hi hi, you get it. But yeah, so just want to say what's up and leave a comment. Leave a comment. Tell me what I should do now because I have no idea what to do with this. I don't know if I should really make vlogs or I think I will. And I don't know what else to do because I want to post up random videos. But, yeah, so, here, how should I hold this? I like this, that'll work. Hey. But, yeah, so leave a comment telling me what I should do. This video's actually been pretty pointless. All my videos are. Whoa, earthquake. But, yeah, so, what was I going to say? I had something. Oh, yeah, I might get iMovie on this little iPod, so I might edit some of them. Only once in a while. Probably won't ever edit them. I'm just lazy. But yeah, so that's basically it. And if in these videos you always see me looking like right here, it's because the camera's really right here, but the screen is right here. So, I'm gonna try and remember to look right there and not hold right on the speaker, whatever. But yeah, that's about it. Oh, I should do it here, from Lost. Dun. That wasn't really scary. Not scary.